Request! Alright, hey. This is a video for Christian, or not for me, but from me. I got a request for a video. It is how to make a ninja mask with a t-shirt. Request, Cody. Alright, first. Hold on, gotta unplug it. Cody, fuck your shit. Ha! I got the phone you wanted. 3.2 megapixels. What, bitch? Alright. Okay, example 1. Alright, now it's not very hard. Just get a black shirt, okay? And this one really doesn't have anything you can see very much on it, but just to show you, you turn it inside out. Okay, so let's just say it's inside out. Then, if you have hair like me, you want to slick back your hair. If you don't worry about it. And you want to put it basically on, so your face comes out of the hole. Now you get the two hand parts, armholes, and you're just simply gonna tie a knot in the back. Now, you're gonna end up looking like this. And I know I look funny. So then you're just gonna simply pull it down. Just like that. You're gonna fold it. Fold this. You usually want to fold it outwards, not inwards, sorry. If I can get it to fold. And this is your final thing. Now this, you can either just have it hanging, or if you're wearing a jacket, you can tuck it into your jacket, or if you're just wearing a shirt, tuck it into your shirt. There you go. Now you can deck someone in the face and run. Take off this, you'll get away with it. You can spray paint some walls. I don't know. Now, process of taking it off, untie it, pull it off. That's it. Peace. Hold on. First. Alright, peace.